Evaluating functions. We want to evaluate f of 0, f of 1/2, and f of -2 for the following function, which is f equals 8 plus 4x. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to find f of 0. So I want you to show your work like this. So f of 0 equals 8 plus 4. Now there's an x right there, so that's where I'm going to put in my 0. 8 plus 4 times 0. Alright, so now I'm going to do my order of operations, so that would be 8 plus 4 times 0, which is 0, and 8 plus 0 is 8. So my final answer is f of 0 equals 8. And the next one we have f of 1/2. So that would be f of 1/2 equals 8 plus 4 times 1/2. So I'm going to put that in parentheses so I remember to do that first. And then I have 8 plus 4 times 1/2 is 2. 8 plus 2 is 10. So that means f of 1/2 equals 10. And that's my final answer. And the last one, we have f of -2. So I'm going to put in -2. So that would be 8 plus 4 times -2. 8 plus 4 times -2 is actually a -8. And 8 minus 8 is 0. So what that means is my final answer is f of -2 equals 0. Final answer. In this next one, we have to first find our function, and then we have to solve our function. So, a carnival charges $5 entrance fee and $2 per ride. Write a function to represent the total cost after taking a certain number of rides. So, our rides will be our independent variable, r, and our cost, c of r, is going to be how much it total cost. Alright, so we want to relate these to each other. So it's going to be the cost in terms of our rides equals, well, it costs $2 for every ride, so that's 2 times r, plus it costs $5 to get into the carnival. So 2r plus 5. Now I'm going to take that function and solve how much would it cost to ride 13 rides. So that means r equals 13, which essentially means we're finding c of 13. So I'm going to put 13 in for r, wherever I see r, plus 5. And then 2 times 13 is 26 plus 5. So that would be 31. So that means it's going to cost $31 to ride 13 rides. Those are your notes on evaluating functions. Go through the practice problems, make sure that they make sense, the word problems and the just plain evaluating them, and then prepare for a quiz over the material.